But I think we'll start it without anything on it. We'll see how well she burns. Just.
I would just soak some through it.
We could, but like I feel this it doesn't need it. I feel.
We still got a mug.
We can always use the mug if needed. So basically, this is fully loaded. So I think the thing is, how much can we make it glow? I'm hoping there's no like big air gaps, but that is the 2 bags and everything we got. That's everything. I think it'll be alright. Should we get the air on it? Let me pulse it.
No, I think he's going, right? Yeah, it's going. There you go! Oh yeah!
Is that Bullet or Richard?
Yep.
It might be that we are overfeeding it with air. Try and tip it down this edge so Monty can light it. Oh, there you go. The thing is, Elliot, do you know what you said last time, that it was the wrong way round?
Yeah.
Still the wrong way round.
Why is it the wrong way around?
Late now. But oh well.
Stop being silly.
Use that to turn it around.
You want to go the other way then, Monty? You're going the wrong way.
Why?
No, trust me, you're going the wrong way.
You want to be
uphill to it. I like what you're thinking. That's it.
I'm going to pull a quick thing.
Dangerous.
Oh, she's a roaring now. I was gonna, but it's great good.
Good idea.
Monty! Light, get the light in case there's any like smoke clouds. I should have got another GoPro looking for a different angle, to be fair. Oh. Once the air drags it, once the air actually starts dragging it through, it usually works quite well. actually burns it off.
Why don't you leave it on and I'll do it from the plug?
Oh yeah, good idea. Have you seen how much is glowing from that side?
I know exactly what you're doing now. Hang on.
And
Get a little mushroom. Oh, I can't get a bit scared.
Hang on, I've got an idea.
Hang on. Ready?
Go!
Hang on. Go on.
Wait. Oh shit!
Monty! We got a little while. I've realised the turbo burn barrel has gone from turbo burn barrel to
Turbo oil burner.
near enough arson. Can I even upload this to YouTube? Will that get banned as well?
No, that'll make a big bang.
It's gonna walk drawing.
It's just become just set fire to everything at this point.